Chat. Now, let me tell you something. The first mistake you ever make is trying to copy some other person's character and leaving your character. You see that your character, that your original character that is not nice, that you think is not nice, that people don't like. Bro, by the time you start putting it online every fucking blessed day, you go see how many views you go to get. Matter of fact, see, let me tell you something. Anything that has to do with funny, silly, misbehavior, all those things, now people they like watch. People don't like to see skillful stuff. People don't really like educative stuff. People don't really pay attention to things that are really interesting. People like rubbish. So if you think that your idea doesn't worth it, bro, you're joking. Now, when you're trying to copy another person's style, that is the first mistake you're making, because you don't even know how easy that person is creating that character. You don't even know how easy it is to that person, and now you're trying to copy that same person. Now, by the time you start copying, you go adjust, you go one day like the person, and you don't know what the person they do to behave like that, bro. That's why I say the most mistake thing you can ever do is to try to behave like some other person. See, that person might be financially buoyant more than you, and that character where he creates, he also it's easy for him. You now you want to copy that instead. You know, no saying get money, you can't like stress for you. You can't invest your damn money on that character. See, let me tell you something, bro. When it comes to online, when it comes to social media, bro, just in fact, that one will be say you know they cost you a dime, now be the real thing. But the one will be say like you want make and tools, you want buy fine clothes, you want do like this, like you really want to make your video look so cute. Those one might not even really go far. If you not even go far. But that one where you neglect, that one where you feel like say, my clothes not nice, like I don't really come out well, I don't dress good, I'm not speaking good, bro. Now that one where people want hear, because a lot of people are so many that wants to listen to that rubbish. Yes, people wants to listen to rubbish. People want to see nonsense. Anything where we say it go bring shame to you is what people want to see. People don't want to see something where we say, but like you make the video like you try to touch the video, they will know you're touching the video. They will think that you're trying to be more smart, that you're trying to be more wise, you're trying to be more intelligent, and in fact they find mistake for that particular one that you're trying to pimp. But that one will be saying a mistake already. People go all they laugh over, will be like, bro, this guy is silly, this guy, but they are watching it. Bro, this guy is so at the end of it, bro, by the time they see your man they'll be like surprised. So this guy is not really like this. So this is how this guy is. Now they then go, wow. They'll be like, wow. Now you'll start creating your brand, though. You know, say I just my teeth brown. This is real. It is brown, real brown. Yes, it is real brown. But I'm not keeping it. I'm not trying to touch. I'm not trying to, as I talk now, I know they try to cover my mouth because my mouth, my teeth is brown already, bro. And see, once I'm not going to how do they call them, teeth whitening and stuff like that, now money you go use all those things, so bro. So now we say you never really get any investment, anything we say they give you money back to back, and you go say, okay, make I go to do white teeth whitening because it is really good. You know what I'm saying? It's they really make person face fine, and no doubts. Like yeah, I would love my teeth to be white. Like even when I make money, I know I'm gonna get a white tooth very soon. Like when I'm financially buoyant. Like, but for right now, I think the things I should do right now is to make sure I invest in my phone, buy my power bank. You know what I'm saying? Get a better phone, better camera, get data for phone. These are the only things I need for now. I don't need a teeth whitening because I don't have money that is coming in constantly. Yes. So I can't spend. I know those things are cool, but I can't. This is a waste of finance for me right now. Yeah, I'm not trying to be like some other person. Until when that money begin, they come in so many ways. Yeah, bro, it will be so nice to go and do it, and then come back home and keep smiling. But for right now, don't see. You don't have a car right now doesn't mean you should start renting cars to use for your movies or to use for your videos. No. Trick. You see that tricking on your video when you the trick, so now that one ain't gonna really go far. See, the ones you spend your money on, bro, that one might not even really give you nothing. I swear to God, if he don't even give you shishi views, I'm not lying. I've tried this several times and it's not working for me. Well done. it's not working for me, bro. You don't understand. But those ones will be say, bah, you just do them out of no money, you don't understand. You just do one like that. You see, say now that one when people could really watch pass. But others ones will be say you could really spend your time. You say, let me edit it well, let me dress well, I need to go on a flashy car and all those things. See, that video might not even go viral, bro. And this is reality. See, people want to see you starting from scratch. They don't want to see you like starting from that up. No, they don't even want to farm you, like, because they know already that thing is not really interesting. They try to, they know. All the viewers, they know. But when they see those ones that are very nonsense, you know, really do alright, now that's when people start watching. Because those people that are watching now, they are above that level. Do you understand? So they will feel so much, like they will feel so much happy to watch it because they know that you are down at that moment. See, people want to see you down on the video. They don't want to see you up until when you eventually get that views and get that fan base, and you can start putting out those ones. But if you're starting out, bro, don't waste your money in making your videos nice. Put your videos raw. I swear to God, bro, I tried it several times, it wasn't working. But now will be say, but I just they do my normal video, I they post bro. You see, people are actually watching it because they know this is real. And now the people that are watching me, there are people that are better than me. So that means normally people that are better than me is who I want them to be watching. Like I want them to be watching my video, like people that are better than me. You don't understand? Now if you start posting videos that are so clean, everything is on point, so nice. Now the poor people, they will be the one watching that video because they want to get inspired. They want to get inspired. Yes, they love stuff like that because they don't have it, so they want to get inspired. But if you want people will be say, yeah, wait on, boss. If people will be saying, rich people like to watch poor content, like content where no really makes sense. You know, understand? Like, you know, dress well, you know, do all those things. Yeah, at this point, guys, so our motor is about to move, like I said. So guys, I'm gonna post this thing and make sure you make use of it. Okay, peace and love. It's your boy OBF.